friends, welcome to Tishita's channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a paper game you can play with your siblings and family members. So the materials are used: a paper, an A4 size sheet, a silver foil, a scissor, a matchstick and a thread. So take a paper and fold it into a triangle shape to get a square like this. So join the two sides like a triangle shape. So now you fold like this, and another one also similarly like this only. Now top you have two papers. Take the first paper and keep it in the first paper. What do you fold? Now take a scissor and make a small hole like this. Now keep this aside. Take a matchstick and take a thread and tie the edge of the thread to the matchstick and tie like this. Now the another side of the thread, take the silver foil and keep the thread in the middle of the silver foil and crush it like a ball. Take the folded paper and insert the matchstick into the hole. And now keep the matchstick horizontally and just leave it. See, your game is ready. Now I'm calling my brother to play the game. So he's my brother. Hi. He's gonna play game. So this is the ball and this is the cup. So you need to throw the ball into the cup. You just need to try like this. I got it. See, even I took one. If you want, you can fold like this or just leave it as it is. So, if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Bye.